With the introduction of the control laws as well as the fly-by-wire by definition, one of the main benefits, one of the greatest features of this fly-by-wire system is, in my opinion, the protections that we can build in to the aircraft. Protections we cannot otherwise build into a commercial aircraft in the same sense. We rely on pilots to operate the aircraft safely, but with the limitation on human performance, these protections are there to enhance safety overall, and it has been doing so for decades. The protections are intended to provide maximum authority to the pilot flying to consistently achieve the best possible aircraft performance in extreme conditions, and to reduce the risk of over-controlling or overstressing the aircraft, and to provide the pilot flying with an instinctive and immediate procedure to ensure pilot flying achieves the best possible outcome all the time. So the protections are not there to make you a lazier pilot. It is there to make you a better pilot through automatic protections. We have 5 different protections in this aircraft. It is referred to as load factor protection, pitch attitude protection, bank angle protection, high angle of attack protection, and high speed protection. Let's break them down one by one, starting with the load factor protection.